How to see someone's TikTok profile without them knowing. So the steps are so simple to follow. First of all, after you open up your TikTok, all you have to do now, just go and tap on your profile at the bottom right side. So as you can see now, here is my TikTok account. So all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side, this three dot. Under this three dot, all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down and tap on this where it says logout. Tap on this logout again. So as you can see now I log out on my TikTok account. As you can see, now I log out on my TikTok account. So all you have to do now, next step, all you have to do now, go and tap on this the person that you want to just view his profile. Just go and search for the person that you want to view his profile. I'll just go and search for, let's say, Ronaldo. So I want to view this person profile. After you search for the person that you want to view his profile, so now just go and open the person profile. So as you can see now I open this person profile and I can be able now to go and see all his videos, but the person cannot be able to see my TikTok account on the list of the people that view his TikTok profile because I am not signed in of my TikTok account. That's it, guys. So just make sure to sign out of your TikTok account and go and view every person that you want to view his TikTok account. As you can see, like this person, I can be able to see all the videos, but this person cannot be able to see my account on the list of the people that view his TikTok profile. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.